Hello friends, today we will discuss Alkem Laboratory 483 observations. Let me tell you friends that Daman and Diu location of the Alkem Laboratory was inspected by US FDA from 19th of March to 27th of March 2018. It was total 8-day inspection, and during the inspection total 3 auditors were present. They have given total 13 number of observations. Here comes the observation number 1A. Auditors, they have observed that a particular product was having out of specification in the assay test. The out of specification report was signed by the QC and QA head on 8th of November 2017, but the tablets of this particular product were already distributed to the USA market on 24th of July 2017, means 4 months before the batch was already distributed, but no recalls were initiated for this batch. Observation number 1B. Auditors observed that in quality control, approximately 259 system suitability failures were there from January to 20th March. Those failures were not investigated. Observation number 1C. Auditor told that your firm has failed to prioritize your in-process stability and finished product samples. They give an example that a particular product sample was taken on 15th of July 2017, but its analysis was not completed till 22nd of July 2017. Coming to the observation number 1D, auditor, they stated that quality control department has deleted approximately 2,101 files from the network, and those deleted files were related to out of specification, out of trend, incidents, method verification reports, chromatograms, calculation, and stability reports. Observation number 2A. Auditor observed that the stability samples were not analyzed timely. They found that a batch which was manufactured in the month of November 2016 and its second month ACC condition analysis was still pending. Observation number 2B. Auditors observed that a batch which was manufactured in the month of April 2017 and its first month analysis started on 16th of November 2017. So there was 7 months gap between the manufacturing date and analysis date. But this particular batch was not released till the time when they verified limbs. They found this batch was having out of specification in RS test. Observation number 2C. Auditors, they have identified gap with respect to the sample receipt and date when the samples were analyzed. Observation number 3A. Auditors clearly told that your firm has failed to investigate the unknown peaks obtained and inhibit integration was applied where the unknown peaks were obtained. Observation number 3B. Auditor observed that the air sampling plan of a particular block was not the true representative with respect to the amount of product which are being manufactured at the site. Observation number 4A. Auditor observed that the written procedure for the out of specification and out of trend were not followed, means these OS and OOTs were not closed within the timeline mentioned in the SOP. Observation number 4V. Auditor, when they inspected the sample storage area, they found that there was a lack of information in the sample storage area with respect to the product name, batch number, manufacturing date, expiry, test, sample device, and when the sample has been taken. These informations were missing. Observation number 5A. This observation was considered as a repeated observation. Auditor told that when a product was discontinued from the stability study, the change controls were not initiated for such discontinuation studies. Observation number 5V. Auditor, during their inspection, they found approximately 45 boxes which were having the pending samples as well as analyzed samples, and those boxes were stored in an area that was not controlled, means temperature and humidity was not controlled for that area, and those particular samples were kept idle. Observation number 6A. Under this observation, the data of the quality control lab came under question mark when the auditor observed that the analyst of the quality control lab was doing RSD calculation with the help of non-protected Excel sheets, and there were no written procedure for such practices. Observation number 6b. On 19th of March, they observed that quality control manager was using Excel spreadsheet for tracking quality functions. Those Excel sheets were not protected, and auditor told that manipulations can be there with the help of these sort of Excel sheets. Observation number 7a. On 19th of March, auditor observed that a quality control analyst was entering data electronically into Excel spreadsheet in the absence of raw data. Now coming to the observation number 7b. On 23rd of March, auditor observed that a QC executive was reviewing OS and OOT investigation report. That particular executive was having pen for review, but there was no checklist and proper record for recording the errors. In the event of error, employee told that they would notify to the section head and the analyst, but they will not document whatever the error they will observe during the review of the investigation reports. Coming to the observation number 7c. On 23rd March, auditor they went to the raw material section and they verified one raw material report. In that raw material report, a particular test was completed on 13th of March, but the UV report of that test was not available with the report. When they interacted with the analyst told that the data packet was removed by another analyst without his knowledge. Observation number 7d. On 20th March, auditor observed that the manufacturing employees were entering tablet weights non-contemporaneously during the manufacturing. Coming to the observation number 8. Auditor they have observed that in-process control procedures were not I will read it again. The in-process control procedures were deficient. Coming to the observation number 9a. Auditor told that your firm manufacturing equipment PLC were not password protected. Observation number 9b. Auditor they have observed that during the manufacturing, if equipments are generating alarms, those alarms they were not assessed that why these sort of alarms are coming. Observation number 10. Auditor stated that your QC analyst failed to clean the glassware appropriately for the assay test, and your firm has not done any sort of cleaning validation for the laboratory equipment which is non-dedicated. Observation number 11. Auditor observed that the drug products were not tested for the cross-contamination because on 21st March, auditor observed that some of the bottles of the samples were unsealed, and they also found loose capsule in the sample storage area. So that's why they suspected that the cross-contamination of the products were not tested. Observation number 12a. Auditor told that the building which is used for the manufacturing of the drug product is being not maintained. Actually, in the year of 2016, one fungal growth related work order was generated, but that fungal growth, why it was came, that was not investigated. Now coming to the next observation, auditor told that pest control program of the facility was not maintained and not adequately implemented, as they have found so many flying insects during their inspection. Coming to the next observation, which is related to training. When they had verified the training, they found that, as I told that one of the observation number 6a, during their inspection they found one analyst which was doing RHD calculation with the help of Excel sheets. When they verified the training record of that analyst, they found that that particular analyst was not trained on GDP and GLP training sessions which were conducted on 17th of January 2018. So friends, these were the observations of Alkem Laboratory. I hope you people got a fair amount of idea regarding these observations, and you will try to use this knowledge in your work areas. Thank you so much for listening.